Hi, I'm Yogesh. We are from the Jalgaon District Computer Dealer Association. We have a team of 75 people visiting the CMDA everywhere. This is our 5th year at the CMDA, and everywhere we found it very well organized by the CMDA Pune team. They represent many brands, and all the brands we visit on the stalls get very informative information from the various brands about their products and offering servicing, and it proves our members for their partnership and everything. The CMDA proves a very good initiative taken by the CMDA team Pune. Our Jalgaon is almost 10-15 years old organizations, and it is helping the partners to come on the common platform to raise their issues regarding their businesses and day-to-day activities, any issues with the brands or the services by the brands. So we have a structure, very well organized structure at our end to address the issues and concerns of our members. And that way also it proves a common platform for all our members and their family members for the various initiatives, various CSR initiatives like the blood donation camp we organize. For the training of the members, we organize the various training camps with the brands by tying up with the brands. And like the CMDA visits or any expo which is happening at the national level, we try to arrange the visit with the respective bodies. As of now, we have 150 active members approximately. Membership, a member has to fill up the registration form that they have to submit their registration documents, shop registration document like the Shop Act, GST license if they have, or the information, and that way our current active body approves the registration. It has a 2,000 rupees registration fees and a 500 rupees renewal fees. In 2026, we are planning a cricket event for the members and the association families. Along with that, we have taken a new initiative from the last year, like a B2B meeting. After the cricket event, we have a B2B event where all 150 dealers come along on the central platform, and distributors get the opportunity to address them one by one. So there will be the networking session.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.